If you were thinking I am done with the haul, we are halfway through, maybe not. So then I got these tints from Pilgrim. One thing about me is I absolutely love collecting blushes, eyeshadows, and pretty much lip glosses also these days. And they are also what is trending. So I want to make trending content, although I slacked in that, but I am trying to pick up again. So I hope everything should be smooth sailing right now. So I got the Pilgrim's Insta tint. I got it in two shades. One is 02 Coral Story, 01 Pink Filter. By the time this video goes in, this video will already be live on my channel. I feel that in 2024 this has to be one of my favorite tints because जितनी गर्मी है एंड जितना मैं स्वेट करती हूँ उसके हिसाब से these tints are bomb.com. बट इसका पूरा रिव्यू मेरे चैनल पे होगा तो जाके चेकआउट कर लेना. I got this Pond's BB Plus cream in the shade Natural. I did use it and I made a short as well, if I remember it correctly. I will upload that really quick and I'll let you know my thoughts on it. Then I got this particular lip crayon from Revlon. It's their Color Stay Matte Light Crayon in Tread Lightly. I saw one of the influencers use it and I really like this shade. So this shade almost is on the borderline of washing me out, but I wanted to buy this shade to kind of do this 90s inspired lip look where you put a darker lip liner and then use this on the center. It looks very gorgeous. Okay, rest of the video I will come and do. I need to go and do some work, so I will be back. Alrighty, you guys, after quite a long break, मेरा आधा makeup उतर गया है. So the next product that I wanted to share with you guys is Faceless Canada का Beyond Shine Lip Gloss, and this I forgot the shade name. This is the shade. It's a very pigmented formula. It's a very beautiful shade. Very smooth formula, has this vanilla fragrance in it, and I really like it. Right now my makeup looks all over the place, but it's all right. The next thing that I picked up was L'Oreal's Infallible 32 Fresh Wear Foundation with vitamin C and SPF 25 in it. This is a OG foundation. I think बहुत सारे लोगों ने ये प्रोडक्ट को ऑलरेडी ट्राई कर लिया होगा, बट मैंने अभी तक इसको ट्राई नहीं करा था. मैंने लॉरियल पेरिस के कोई भी आज तक प्रोडक्ट यूज़ नहीं किए थे फॉर सम रीज़न, एंड आई थॉट ओके लेट्स ट्राई इट आउट. आई गॉट इट इन द शेड 125 warm undertone, and this I feel is an exact match for me. Formula is really good, and whenever I've applied this I've got a lot of compliments, so that's good. I feel like for the price I think it's 1000 something, but it's totally worth it. Next, again, one more foundation that I picked up was Maybelline Superstay foundation, and this is Me Matte foundation. I got it in the shade 123. इसका price है 799 रुपीज़. ये भी बहुत बहुत वायरल हुआ था. इनके कैंपेन्स बहुत वायरल हुए थे, तो आई वॉज लाइक लेट मी जस्ट ट्राई इट. ये अभी भी सील्ड है, मैंने इसको ट्राई नहीं करा है. सो जब भी मैं फेस्टिवल लुक्स कर रही थी एंड I was doing any sort of makeup look, I used to see my collection, and I felt that there was a lack of different types of foundation from different brands, different formulations. So I am on a hunt to try other formulations and see what works out for me and what is out there. You just need to explore. Then I got this particular underarm roll on. It's a very popular product, and for all right reasons. This is the Chemist Play odor control underarm roll on. I got it in the aqua fragrance. This has got 5% AHA, and this has ascorbic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid, the ingredients. So it's got vitamin C, it's got hyaluronic acid and allantoin. This will help in lowering the pH in the underarm area. That is why the germs will not be produced, and then your odor causing germs are killed. So then it removes dead skin cells also. So yeah, I have really loved this. This is in fact my second bottle. This had worked, so I'm retrying it again in hopes to reduce the darkness. All right, so this is the next product. These are all the boxes that we are left with, so let us quickly finish the video. Okay, the other thing that I found literally fallen over was this particular one. This is from Boldfit. These are their resistant bands. I got it in this size mini. I don't know whether I did a right job or not. This was priced at 499 rupees, and again, I am going to sound like a broken record, but I was under a lot of medication, which included steroids and injections and whatnot. And because of that, I definitely gained about 20-25 kgs of weight. And I'm actually thinking to start to reduce that weight and go on a much healthier journey so that I don't come into this situation again. हेलो वॉइस ओवर सहर हियर। ये वाले पार्सल्स जब मैं बेड रेस्ट पे थी तब आए थे, मेरे हस्बैंड अनबॉक्स कर रहे हैं। अनफॉर्चुनेटली इसको रिटर्न पे डालना पड़ा था, एंड एक या दो और पार्सल्स ऐसे आए थे जो रिटर्न पे डाले थे। ये मैंने स्टूल मंगवाया था क्योंकि मुझे बैठ के नहाना था, और जो भी हमारे पास स्टूल्स थे वो बहुत मतलब गिड्डू गिड्डू वाले थे, छोटू छोटू वाले थे। तो मैंने ये मंगाया था सोच के कि ये सेरामिक है, बट ये सेरामिक नहीं था। ये सेरामिक लाइक प्लास्टिक था जिस पे उन्होंने पेंट चढ़ाया था, एंड बहुत गंदी क्वालिटी थी। लाइक पेंट लिटरली अभी भी कच्चा था, हाथ पे लग रहा था, एंड थोड़ा सा मतलब नाखून लग जाए तो पेंट निकल भी रहा था। इट वॉज़ पैथेटिक क्वालिटी, तो मैंने रिटर्न कर दी। एक और डस्टबिन मंगवाई थी जो कि रूम के लिए चाहिए थी, एंड ये डिस्काउंट पे कुछ चल रही थी तो मुझे 100 रुपीज़ की पड़ गई थी। It's a perfect size to keep in your room. So let's open this box up, and in this box we have this particular one from Lamel. This is their liquid eyeshadow. There's this one shade called brown shade which went really popular, but it's been out of stock forever. And then there, I wanted to recently Anakshi tried out another shade from this particular range, and it looks so good, and she's always hyped about these, so I wanted to go and buy it. But then I saw this particular shade at 85 rupees, and I was like, let's just grab it. Like, what am I going to lose? If at all it doesn't work for my eyes, it will work as a blush, because this is a very beautiful shade. The shade name is 406 OSS, and the price of this was 350 originally, but I got it just at 85 rupees. This is a very beautiful baby pink shade. Then the next parcel, it's not at all opened, so we will leave that. And okay, let's open this one. All right, so the next thing in this box, there are two things. One is this Mars Candlelicious lip gloss in the shade Cherry Cola. I already have reviewed another shade on my channel, and this particular shade was going really viral because Cliniques, I think it's called as the black cherry variant, is so popular, and everybody was like, this is a affordable dupe to that. So it was out of stock for a very long time, and the moment I saw it in the stock, I had to grab it, because I wanted to know what the hype is all about. So I picked this one up, and I don't know how it will look like on the lips, but this is the shade. It's very beautiful cherry color, cherry brown color with a little bit of red and purple tones in it. I don't know if you guys can see. Formula of this particular lip glosses is to die for. It's one of my favorite lip gloss formulations. And then I went ahead and called in for this particular serum from L'Oreal. I do have the bigger variant, but I'm almost at the end of it. Like, there could be just another use of it, but I got the smaller variant only because I am expecting that I travel in the upcoming months, and carrying such a big bottle, that too it's a glass bottle, it takes up quite a lot of space. And I can see this is a plastic version of it, so I called in for this because it's easier to travel. The places that I go in are humid, and I just have Monica hair. I will add the picture. If you watch Friends, you would understand. So I just get Monica hair, and I don't want that. It's so unmanageable. So this tiny serum will help with that का प्राइस वैसे तो 299 है and I got it for 170 rupees ish. So amazing product. In case you're looking for a good serum, then just don't even think about it and grab that one. So next up, okay, I got this particular mascara from Maybelline. This is their Sky High Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. This is priced at 7.99, but now its price has changed to 5.99, and this is their shade 802 Very Black. I've bought the Essence mascara of lately. They are not available in India, and sadly I'm not traveling to Dubai or anywhere anytime soon, so I can't grab these mascaras. So I had no other option but to try different variants which are available in India, and this has been on my list for quite some time, so I thought might as well try that out. Okay, the other thing is that मैं एक लवर्थ का lip crayon भी use की थी, but I don't know where it is. I am not able to find it. Okay, so then another thing that I got in the boxes was this particular one. This is Nivea's Body Milk 48 Hours Intense Moisture Body Lotion. I got it at a very good price, I think, and this is what I carry whenever I have to travel. Last parcel of the day, and I'm just trying to open it. This came in today itself. I got from Lamel. This is their concealer, and I mean, I can't even see the product. Like, I can't even show you the product because they've taped everywhere. I got it in the shade 40 Deep Beige. There's a lot of lot of people complaining about the shade range being very weird, and I was also thinking of that because deep beige sounds too dark, but it was just on the second spectrum of things, so I don't know if this is going to be light. Clearly from the look of it, it looks like a highlighting shade and not a concealing shade, and I am really sad about that. So yeah, with this I am done with the Amazon haul portion of it, and yeah, let me know in the comments how you liked this video, and if you did, please click the subscribe button, share it with your friends and family members, turn on the bell notification button, and leave a good comment and let me know if you like such videos and what other videos you would like to watch. That would be really of a help for me, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe, and keep smiling.